mediocre. I won't invite my sister's birthday party.
Oh, of course, I love to. I will go to your sister's birthday.
See you there. Guys,
Oh my G, there are so many flirt in public places. So PDA, public display of affection. Duh! Cheap? There's no such thing as forever. Are you talking with us? No, I'm talking to the lollipop. Hey man, can you call me a taxi?
yes, ma'am. You're a taxi. Hey, bro. Did you know that Luigi is very brave? Really? Yes, because he jumped in an airplane without a parachute. How did you know him? On his Julian.
Okay, class, pass your drawing. Mr. Balo, why your work is blank?
No, it's not blank. I draw a cow and a grass.
So where's the grass?
The cow already eat the grass.
Where's the cow?
What else should the cow do there if there's no grass? Common sense, ma. My stomach, it hurts. I need to release it right now. Oh, wait. There's no people here. It's okay.
Hey, what are you doing there?
I catch a bird.
Bird,
Yes. Huh?
leave it to me.
Okay.
Welcome to the Cambias Extra Challenge! Please welcome our challengers, Miss Alison, Mr. Randall, and Miss Rebecca. Before we start, here's the mechanic. First thing they should do is to eat the cambias. And to eat the cambias, they should not make the mukasim face. And they should smile while eating this. And to have a taste, this is the seasoning that they need to eat them all. So now, let's begin our game. Wala pa nga eh. Hindi nga alam mo mukha. Gusto mo na yan.
Ano? Hindi.
Matamis. Pag sinausaw dito. Matamis siya. Hindi siya maano. Paano ka hindi?
Kailangan, you must, tawag doon?
Okay din. Sabi ng atin sa akin, sinamuna pa to.
Tama na.
Bang, bang.
And now, we have a winner. And the winner is... None of them. Mr. Randolph Balot. And for your prize, this is your prize. Ang tawag patis yun eh. Patis. Ang sama na. Patis again. Soy sauce.